Hi everyone, Rajiv Khan here. Today I want to show you my favorite top 7 tips and tricks in Gmail that will improve your Gmail experience. Reading pen. You can add a reading pen into Gmail to make it easier to get through all your email messages. Here when I click on one of my email, the email takes over the full screen and I no longer see my inbox. I have to click on the back arrow to return to my inbox. To turn on reading pen, go to settings, scroll down. You can see two options there. You can select one. I am going to select right of inbox. Now if I click on one of my email messages, I can view the message over on the side. This makes it easier to get through my message. Number 2. Stars. By default, you only have one option to star an email. You can add more options. For this, go to settings and scroll down until you find stars. Drag and drop the other stars you would like to use. Save the changes. Now in inbox, click on the star icon more than one to change the style. Number 3. Offline mode. You can read your Gmail messages while you don't have any internet access. To take this advantage, let's click on the settings gear, then click on the see all settings. Within all settings, let's go over to the right hand side on the tabs and click on offline. Here is an option that says enable offline email. When we turn this on, it will tell us how much storage space it will take on our computer and also how many email you want to store here. Here I am going to select the last 30 days. There is an option whether you want to include your attachment or not. Also, if you log out of Gmail, you have to decide whether you want to keep the data on your computer or you want to remove it. Once you are all done, click on Save Changes. From now, you can read your mail without internet connection. Number 4. Templates. You can set up templates to send the future emails in one click. If you need to send the same text to other people in the future, you can save the email as a template. For example, you want to send a reminder email to your client to pay the bill. By saving it as a template, you can quickly send this email in the future. To use templates, let's go up to the settings gear. Let's click on see all settings. Within settings, let's go to the advanced tab. Here the second one is templates. Let's click on enable, then click on save changes. Here is a sample email I want to save as a template. Down in the bottom right hand corner, you can see 3 dots with more options. When I click on this, there is an option called templates. Within the template message, I can save this draft as a template. I am going to click on save as a new template. I can now type in a name for this template. I am going to call this bill reminder and then click on save now. Now to use this template, let me send a new email. Now let's go down and here in template, just click on insert template. You will find your email ready to send. Number 5. Undo sent. If you just send an email but realize you forgot to include something in it, you can undo the send when you send an email. This option will show you have few seconds to click on undo to stop the email from being sent. You can change the amount of time you get to click on the undo button. To set up, go up to the settings gear in the top right hand corner. Let's click into the all settings. Within settings under the general tab at the very top, there is an option to undo the send. By default it is set to 5 seconds. You can set it all the way up to 30 seconds. I am going to set it to 30 seconds and then I am going to save it. Number 6. Schedule send. You can compose an email and send it a later time. To do this, write the email and then click on the arrow next to send now. Click on schedule send. Select one of the predefined date or pick a date and time. Finally, click on schedule send. The email will be sent on the date you have selected. You can see the scheduled emails here on the left menu. You can cancel the email schedules to be sent by opening the scheduled emails and then clicking on the cancel send. Number 7. Customized email address. You can customize your email address to make it easier for others to remember and also filter and track your email messages. Here in the first example, you can insert a period into your email address. Google ignores the period in email address. So I could insert rajiv.khan.1320@gmail.com and I will still receive the email. Gmail also ignores the plus symbol and any text appears after it. So here I can insert the plus symbol and then type in some text, and this email will also arrive at my email address. This way you can easily filter out an email. Well, that's all for today. Hope to see you next time.